Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to allow Tor browser to take screenshots, screen record in your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are currently new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Tor browser. So I'm going to simply click on here. Now it's going to load up like so. Then allow it to connect to your internet and it takes you right here. Now sometimes when you launch your Tor browser and you want to make some recording or you want to make some screenshot of some part of my website, so this video and so as a result of that, you might get unable to screenshot or to screen record on a Tor browser. In this video, I will show you on how to simply enable it and you'll be able to screenshot or screen record whatever you want to do in a Tor browser. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do after you open up your Tor browser, click on these three dots from the bottom side corner right here. So click on that. This is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings right here. Take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you look for allow screenshots and make sure this button here is turned on. It's as simple as that. Immediately you turn on this button here, restart your phone and then start using your Tor browser for screenshot or screen record or whatever. So I can simply make a screenshot right here and it will automatically screenshot just like what you see right here. I can come to the home page right here also and make a screenshot. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to allow Tor browser to take screenshots or record your screen without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.